quiet here on the
unlike
street.
these other
I think I'm scaring away
networks,
some children.
we make you pay for your mock draft.
Wait,
There's no feedback, ramifications if you screw up your mock draft. There is here.
Gibson swings and a fly ball to deep right. Unbelievable. A home run for Gibson.
Get a Klubiak. How can Super Bowl champs not have a QB right now? I'm gonna roll the dice.
Okay.
Plan 3. Will Broncos repurpose Robert Griffin III?
Watch a lot of basketball. I love this week. I love this week more than I do the first 2 rounds of the NCAA tournament. Yes, Steve.
Can we finish our omelets here in this first segment?
Go ahead. Yeah, sure.
Because it's really not good.
Yeah, it gets cold. I
and
know.
stuff.
Yeah. If you'd like to watch the Danettes eat their breakfast right now, you can on Audience Channel 239 DirecTV, the NBC Sports Network, and AT&T Uverse 1114.
Here he is, joined by the 4 Danettes. It's Dan Patrick.